Hello everyone. Uh, Today we will be discussing LeetCode daily question. So today's question is about weighted word mapping. So let us see the problem statement, what it is stating, and let uh, get the observations out of it and try to solve this. So you are given an array of strings, that is words. So where each string represents a word containing a lowercase English letters. Okay, so we will be given strings of words in which the each string will contain only lowercase English letters. Okay. Next, you are also given an integer weights of length 26, where weights of I represents the weight of the ith lowercase. So in English, letters we will have 26 letters, right? So for that they are giving weights for each letter. So yeah, that one. And the weight of a word is defined as a sum of uh, weights of its characters. So the weight of a word is defined as a sum of weights of its characters. So basically it is nothing but the each character will have the weights, corresponding weights, right? So when we sum up all these each character's weights for each string, then that is what the total weight of that word. So what we need to do is, for each word take its modulo weight and map the result to its lowercase letter in reverse alphabetical order. So after computing the weight of each word, so for each word we need to take that total weight modulo 26. Then we need to map the whatever the result we will get, right? So that we will map like this. If we get result as 0, we will map with Z, and if we get 1, we will map with Y. So it is basically the reverse order. So we need to map that, and at the end, we need to return the string formed by these concatenating these mapped characters. So for each word, we will map to any one character, right? So we need to concatenate all these letter uh, characters, and at the end, we need to return it as a string. So yeah, that will be the problem statement. So we will take this example and try to understand more clearly by taking this example. Yeah, let me just make it. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. So, what is the example that we are thinking to take? So, that is words is equal to a comma b comma c, and all the weights are one. All the weights are one. Okay. So yeah, we will try to understand the problem statement more clearly by using this example. Let me take another color. Yes. So we will be given this A, B, C, this kind of strings. So this is one string, this is another string, this is another string. So for each string, we need to calculate its weight, total weight. So for A, it is 1, right? So 1 will be the weight, total weight of this. So if I have A comma AB as a string, then 1 plus 1, it will become 2, right? So in that way, we need to map with the weights of corresponding character. And once we get this total, uh, after getting this total, we need to modulo this with uh, one modulo uh, wait, one modulo 26. So we need to modulo with 26 whatever the result that we will get, right? So we need to map this in reverse order of alphabetical order. So whatever the alphabetical order we will have, right? So we need to map this with the reversed one. So one will zero will point to. So let me write here some of them. Zero will point to Z and one will point to Y, and in the same manner two will point to X. So in this way it will keep happening, and we need to, once we get the corresponding character, right, for each word, we need to concatenate each word, and at the end we need to return that concatenated string as our answer. Okay, so this is what we need to do. So to do this process, what can we think of to solve this? So we understood problem very well, and how can we solve this? So yeah, that we will discuss now. Okay, so let's suppose we will take the same example, that is W is equal to A, B, C, and weights is equal to all ones, so it is 26 of size. Okay, so what we will do, we will access, let me take other color, we will access this for each string and try to calculate their total weight. So this is the first point that we need to do. So for each string we need to calculate its total weight till, and then modulo this total weight with the 26. After that, we can just map whatever the result, that is, let's suppose take this as result. So whatever the result that we get, we need to map in the reverse order of alphabetical order, reverse way of alphabetical order, and at the end concatenate with answer, concatenate with the answer, and at the end we need to return this answer. So that will be the approach that we will try to solve this. So yeah, this is clear, I think. So we will jump into the code part and try to implement the same thing that we had made here, right? So yeah, so first thing is we need to calculate total weight, right? So we'll try to go, and yes, so this is a thing. So they will be given words of strings, and it is the weights of 26 size. So let me take the answers, that is string answer is equal to some empty one. Then so we need to access each string of words, right? So for that, what I will do, I will say for each loop for this string is of words. So it will access every word in that array of strings. So it will be yes currently. So we will take into total weight is equal to 0. So for each character, we need to get the weight of each character, right? So for that, I need to access each character, that is char ch for yes dot to char array. I can use this for each loops. If you don't, if you are not comfortable with this, we can, you can use that indexing as well. So I'm using currently this one. So in order to map or get the corresponding weight of character, So what we will do, we will say this thing. So if that character minus a, if we will do, we will get that in corresponding index. So we will do the same thing, that is total. We will add every weight, each character weight to our total weight, right? So for that purpose I will say total weight is equal to weights of ch minus a. This will points to the character that we mm, the character weight of particular this character weight. Okay, so it will change this to indexing, and it will points to that one, and it will get the weight. So after this we will have the weight with us for every word. Then after that we need to do modulo with the 26, right? So for that purpose, what I will do, I will take some int result is equal to total weight mod 26. So after doing this, I need to map with the reverse order of alphabetical order, right? So for that purpose, what I will do, so if I get 0, it will map with Z, right? So how can I get if I my result is equal to some uh, 25, then or if my result is equal to 0, then how can I map this 0 with z, right, in the character way, right? We need to change that to character, right? So for that purpose we can do something like this, that is it will be something like character, and it will be result plus z, or result plus z plus 0. It will not happen. Mm, so it will be something like this, that z minus result. If we can do this, we can able to so z will be something like 26, right, or 25, something, it can be anything. So if we reduce it to 0, it will points to 0 only. So we will add this thing to our answer, and at the end we'll just return our answer. So I think we are good to go to submit, or try to run this and see if it is working fine or not. Yes, it is giving accepted for these three test cases. Let me submit this and try to get whatever the result it is. So it is accepted. So this is how you need to solve this problem. So if you understood the problem, try to solve yourself and try to get the approach, what how can you are how are you mapping this thing. So you will get to know once you start solving this problem. So yeah, this is simple one, and try to get solved by today itself, because this will not be available for tomorrow daily question. Okay, so thank you.